guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the RAZER Deathstalker V2 Pro. Alright, so starting off we have our thank you note and our product information guide as well as some stickers. Alright, and here we have our USB-C to USB Type-A braided cable. And we also have our sturdy USB extender. Alright, so here we have the keyboard itself. As you can see, it has a nice slim profile, and we also went with this beautiful color, which is the white coloring option. And on the back, we do have two height adjustable feet. And on the top of the keyboard, we also have our off and on switch, as well as our charging port. The RAZER Deathstalker V2 Pro is also wireless. You can connect either through RAZER Hyperspeed or through Bluetooth 5.0. The USB Type-C charging cable also allows for wired use whilst charging. The keyboard also has both full RGB lighting as well as a 200-hour battery life. The typing experience is a little mushy for my taste, but it's pretty smooth overall, and you get both a multi-functioning roller as well as a media button. The plate is also made of a 5052 aluminum alloy, which makes it super durable. The keycaps are also laser etched with a HyperGuard coating to make them more durable. For this keyboard, I went with the red linear low profile optical switches, which are a lot smoother and silent, while the other option is the purple clicky low profile optical switches, which are crisp and clicky. Now, I prefer the purple ones, which are a lot better for the typing experience, I feel, but others may prefer the quieter one, which are the red ones. As I said before, I went with the white color option for this keyboard. There are two different color options. You can have either the black one or the white one. Alright guys, so overall the RAZER Deathstalker V2 Pro definitely has a lot of good features, starting off with the full RGB lighting that goes along perfectly with the white coloring. It also has a good durable feel to it, and high-powered working optical switches that are extremely fast, and these are especially good for gamers. And I think the only real problem with this keyboard will probably be either the expensive pricing or the fact that me personally, I just don't really like the texture of the typing. But other than those two things, I would definitely give this keyboard a big thumbs up. It has a great design, and I especially love the coloring. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!